So today on the weekly What Is It? I ordered this. It came in this box. This can hook to my Milwaukee M18 battery, and it gives me a USB output. I have a light indicating that the power's on. I'm going to bring over a little indicator. And it shows that I'm putting out 4.79 volts at almost 1 amp. I'm currently charging a phone, so that should be correct. I got this little adapter for more than one reason. It's always good to have a large capacity battery pack that you keep charged, and I have several of these and some 5.0s as well. And with this adapter I can definitely charge and run my USB things, cell phones charge and things of that nature. I also thought it would be neat, instead of making my own way to connect something to my Milwaukee 18 volt batteries, for the price of these, they have two different purposes. They also have a really good way of actually connecting to the battery. So I thought we'd look inside of one and see what's in it, how easy it is to get to the terminals, and just make sure that they look like they are high enough current to use for other devices or other tools to use that battery power as well. So I have taken the screws out of this one. It's relatively simple. It's a little step down regulator circuitry. Get a little bit closer view on this. We see the LED that was lighting up earlier. We have a MC81F4204M. Got the inductor. We have a little XL Semi XL2011E. What this little 8-pin device is, GA5614. We have a few more active components. We have some regulators and some transistors, a lot of passive components. There's a lot of resistors, diodes, and capacitors you can see. We do have a few components on this side. But looking at this board, it does look like the terminals are high current capacity. So we wanted to actually run us some leads out of that housing. We could just solder onto the plus and minus here, and we could handle quite a bit of current off the pack. Just come out with some leads. Or you could even unsolder this and just use that for your own project. The actual part number and model number information. But I thought it was an interesting little device. I think it was well worth the money. I think it'll be useful for more than one application. Next up on the weekly What Is It? We look at this little board. They just come, you can just break them off. Just snap them off, the little individual circuit boards. So what is it?